In July 2021, I posted a video on the upholstery of a miniature couch. I decided then I would not upholster the 2 chairs that came with it. Now that I'm constructing a living room, the chairs will be ideal for the space. I'm only going to do a mini tutorial on the chair's upholstery because the same steps were done in the couch video, a link to which will be in the description. Here's a look at the first chair. Before upholstering the chair, a pillow I made is filled with Polyfil. Batting was placed on the inside and the back of the chair. The legs were also painted gold to accent the beautiful green velvet. Batting is glued on the armrest. The curves are clipped along the wingback, creases in front of the armrest, then the cover is turned inside out. Time to cover the chair cushion. The skirt is glued to the front of the chair, the corners are clipped, then the skirt is glued inside. The velvet is stretchy and so easy to work with. I'll definitely be purchasing more in the future. I'm running stitches through the center of the pillow. I considered putting a button there, but found it looked fine without one. Underlining is put on the bottom of the chair. A strip of fabric folded in half is sewn along the edge, creating a border for the back and sides of the chair. Join me next time for the continuation of the Deluxe Reading Dream build, where I'll show you how I constructed this couch, sectional, and ottoman. Until then, thank you so very much for watching.